TagworX is a new approach to deploying inventory and asset management applications. The solution consists of two components, the TagworX portal on the left and the Android and iOS app, which I'm showing on the right. Here you can see we have a simple inventory application for tracking goods in and out of a warehouse. As an operative in the warehouse, I can scan goods in and select the location where I'm storing them. At the end of each process, I can also add a label or comments so exceptions can be quickly managed. With the appropriate user permission, I can access the full inventory table from the handheld device and then print a label or dispatch note right from the app. The system can be fully configured by administrators. Here you can see I can change the application and process names, which is immediately reflected on the mobile devices. I can also add custom fields and configure each part of the process without any programming. So far we've been running the processes using barcodes, and I can immediately change those to RFID with a flick of a switch and a refresh of the app. You can see the icon then changes to RFID. Now I'm capturing my process using RFID and in this case a mobile reader. And here I can instantly capture multiple devices at once and upload those to my inventory table. TagworX can run as a standalone system or integrate with third-party applications for tracking orders, inventory and dispatch. Best of all, each TagworX process can be quickly customized for a project, so please do get in touch to see how we can help you with your inventory and asset management applications.